Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change Ome TV country in Android. So this is the Ome TV VPN. So in order to do that, you have to open Play Store first and you can search the Ome TV. And here we go, this is the Ome TV video chat alternative. So here, if you already installed this app, don't forget to keep updates. You have to update in order to fix some bugs or fix some issues. And if this is your first time or if you do not yet install this app, please do. This app can launch the video chat and you can get unlimited fun just with one swipe. You can start meeting new people and making friends in this video chat application. You can connect with over 1 million mobile users and over 100,000 website visitors chatting online day and night. So here, after the update, don't forget to install your favorite VPN, or maybe you can search the VPN that best for your area, for your region, such as Turbo VPN, Warp VPN, and try to find the best VPN. You can try one by one. And here, in order to change manually the region or the country manually, you can open this app first, and don't forget to sign in with your account. And here you can on country. Here, the base country is Indonesia. I pick Indonesia here, and you can try to change it, for example, to a Germany, and the Germany will be listed on the top. Sometimes this built-in option cannot not precise enough to search a person that you want to chat. So you have to use the VPN to help you increase the accuracy. So for example, here you can try to change your server, like global fast and secure servers from your VPN. You can change into United States, Japan, and so on. Then you can reopen the Ome TV and change region, same with the VPN that you located before. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.